primers on, all nicely primed, and now we're going to dry for 24 hours. I'd like to see a nice clean headstock after all this time. All the bottom rails and tubes have been already painted, so this is just the top areas now. I left that till last, so decals have been removed obviously, and we will now apply the top coats tomorrow. Looking good.